How can I fix Spotify playing only a few seconds of a song?
Hey there, music lovers! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be addressing a common issue that many Spotify users face: songs playing only for a few seconds and then abruptly stopping. It can be incredibly frustrating when you're in the groove, and suddenly the music cuts out. But worry not, because in this video, I'll show you some troubleshooting steps to help you fix this problem and get back to enjoying uninterrupted music on Spotify.
Clearing cache and data.
The first step in resolving this issue is to clear the cache and data of your Spotify app. Sometimes, accumulated cache and corrupt data can cause playback problems. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the settings on your mobile device. 2. Navigate to the Apps or Applications section. 3. Find and select Spotify from the list of installed apps. 4. Tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. 5. Select Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. 6. If the problem persists, choose Clear Data to delete all locally stored data for Spotify. Note, this will sign you out, and you'll need to log in again.
Checking internet connection.
A stable internet connection is crucial for seamless music streaming on Spotify. Poor network connectivity or intermittent Wi-Fi signals can lead to playback interruptions. Let's make sure your internet connection is up to speed. 1. Ensure that your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or cellular data. 2. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists on both connections. 3. If you're on a shared network, check if other devices are consuming excessive bandwidth, which can impact your Spotify experience. 4. Restart your router, modem, and reconnect your device to the network.
Updating the Spotify app.
Spotify frequently releases updates that address bugs and improve overall performance. Outdated versions of the app can sometimes lead to playback issues. Let's make sure you have the latest version of Spotify. 1. Open your device's App Store, e.g., Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 2. Search for Spotify and go to the app page. 3. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button. Tap on it to download and install the latest version of Spotify. 4. Once the update is complete, open Spotify and check if the problem still persists.
Reinstalling the Spotify app.
If the previous steps didn't resolve the issue, you can try reinstalling the Spotify app. This process will remove any potential glitches or corrupted files that might be causing the problem. Here's how you can do it. 1. Uninstall the Spotify app from your device. On most devices, you can do this by long pressing the app icon and selecting the appropriate option. 2. Visit your device's app store and download the latest version of Spotify. 3. Install the app and sign in with your Spotify account. 4. Check if the issue is resolved after reinstalling the app.
Contacting Spotify support.
If you've followed all the previous steps and the problem still persists, it's time to reach out to Spotify support for further assistance. They have dedicated support channels to help users with technical issues. You can visit the Spotify website and look for the Support or Help section to find the best way to contact them. That brings us to the end of this video on how to fix Spotify playing only a few seconds of